Thank you for joining me today. The following is a presentation on the benefits of implementing the Blackboard Ultra Learning Management System into an adult learning education institution, and I am your presenter, Melinda Vanzanten. Our presentation will include an introduction, a problem statement, solution statements, implementation suggestions, an introduction to Blackboard Ultra, overview of new Blackboard Ultra features, a discussion on the benefits of Blackboard Ultra limitations and challenges, return on investment potential, and I will close with a conclusion and action statement. The rapid technological advances of the 21st century present both challenges and opportunities for educational institutions. In an era where Education 4.0 and pedagogical approaches are becoming increasingly important, it is essential for institutions to adopt learning management systems into the educational framework that not only keep up pace with those advancements, but also enhance the learning experience for students. The following presentation is designed to promote the adoption of Blackboard Ultra LMS, a powerful tool that addresses the needs of 21st century learners and supports the transition to Education 4.0. In the context of Education 4.0, pedagogical learning can present unique challenges for educational institutions. Kim states that pedagogy places the learner at the center of the educational process, allowing them to determine what and how they learn based on their individual needs and interests. This learner-centric approach requires an LMS that supports self-directed learning, provides diverse learning resources, and facilitates personalized learning paths, which Blackboard Original fails to provide. Miranda et al. States that without such a system, students may struggle to engage with the material and fail to develop the critical thinking and problem-solving skills essential for the modern workforce. Blackboard Ultra supports self-determined learning by enabling students to customize their learning paths and access a diverse array of resources. Kim states that this flexibility is crucial for pedagogical learners as it allows them to engage with the material in a manner that suits their individual needs and interests. Blackboard Ultra's features such as personalized dashboards that allow them to organize their courses and instructor-generated progress tracking that allows students to make informed decisions will help students take control of their learning journey. Additionally, Blackboard Ultra addresses the need for an LMS that facilitates personalized learning paths and supports the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills essential for the modern workforce. The platform's collaborative tools, interactive content delivery, and assessment features create an engaging learning environment that promotes student engagement and learning. Blackboard Ultra provides extensive professional development resources to help faculty adapt to this learner-centric approach, ensuring effective implementation of pedagogy. How will Blackboard Ultra be implemented? Havelock, as referenced in Fahy, states that regardless of whether a change agent is internal or external to the organization, he advises that change agents should use resources from the organization to determine the needs and readiness for change. The change agents for this project will be internal to the organization and will include a member from the School of Teaching and Learning, SCTL, and the Information Technologies and Systems Department, ITS. The migration to Blackboard Ultra will be presented to the institution's executive team for review based on user feedback that identified the limitations of the previous Blackboard version. We will implement a change management process inspired by Kotter's 8-step change model as outlined by Wentworth, Benson, and Kelly, focusing on specific elements of that model to facilitate the transition. For instance, Kotter's first step involves creating a sense of urgency. We need to emphasize that continuing with Blackboard Original is limiting your growth in several critical areas, thus highlighting the need for evolution to drive development. Step 2 of Kotter's change model works around building a guiding coalition. In addition to the change agents from SCTL and ITS, additional staff, faculty, and students will act as champions and will be included to support the adoption of the new LMS. Step 3 of Kotter's change model encourages developing a vision and strategy. Adopting a new LMS should stem from the institution's strategic plan to ensure it supports long-term goals and aligns with the overall vision. Elements of this institution's vision include innovative learning, career readiness, and being globally recognized. These important components of the strategic plan encourage new and innovative technologies like Blackboard Ultra that support the move to Education 4.0 and 21st century learning. Step 4 of Kotter's change model includes communicating the change vision. Change agents will start by sharing minimal information to all users 1 year prior to full implementation. Additional information will be provided during that year to keep users informed of the change and training opportunities. The image outlines the steps of Kotter's change model, which will be addressed during the initial stages of the project, and the steps that will be addressed from the implementation phase until completion. Change agents will need to address the attitudes of the users towards the change to the LMS, and these attitudes can vary significantly. Senj, as referenced in Fahy, explains user attitudes can range from commitment and enrollment, where users are eager for the change and proactive, to mere compliance, where users do only what is required. Additionally, some users may exhibit grudging compliance or non-compliance, expressing they are not on board. And finally, you may have some displaying complete apathy, showing no interest either way. For a change to be effective, change agents must address this spectrum of attitudes, ensuring all stakeholders are engaged and supportive of the new LMS implementation. So how will Blackboard Ultra fit into your organization? Blackboard Ultra, developed by Anthology, is a leading education technology solution designed to meet the needs of modern learners. It aims to drive innovation and transform what educational technology can achieve today and in the future, supporting Education 4.0 and 21st century learning by fostering critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. Blackboard Ultra aligns seamlessly with your institution's strategic plans supporting innovative learning, career readiness, and global recognition. By providing a dynamic and flexible learning environment, Blackboard Ultra enhances your commitment to putting students first and fostering innovation. Its comprehensive features ensure that your educational delivery meets the evolving demands of Education 4.0 and 21st century learning, driving the academic success and operational excellence. Now we get to the exciting part of the pitch, Blackboard Ultra's new tools and features. This is where we get to demonstrate the new and improved tools and features that will truly drive this institution towards achieving Education 4.0 objectives. For the sake of time, we have chosen to focus on some of the tools and features that specifically address the needs of 21st century learners. First, let's address some of the differences between Blackboard Original and Blackboard Ultra. Let's start with what is no longer available from Blackboard Original. On the left is a list of tools that have been removed from Ultra: achievements, module page, tasks, wikis, and blogs. On the right is a list of test questions that are no longer available in Ultra: either or, jumbled sentence, opinion scale, ordering, and quiz bowl. Some users may be disappointed by the removal of certain features, but the new additions are so impressive that I promise you will not miss the old ones. Let's continue to explore more tools and features in Blackboard Ultra. Discussion boards can be created in content areas which was previously not available. The AI design tool allows me to enter in a description based on existing course content or from the course outline, for instance. Choose the desired cognitive level based on Bloom's taxonomy, adjust the complexity, and click Generate. I can then choose an option based on the cognitive level I'm seeking. The AI design feature can also be used to create modules, test questions, assignments, rubrics, and so much more. Progress tracking allows students to monitor their progress through the course content page, and shows their completion status, which can motivate students and provide them with a sense of accomplishment. In this image, the green check mark indicates that this student has completed this content. The half circle indicates that the student has accessed the item. Progress tracking can also enable instructors to identify and support students who may be falling behind. It also allows the instructor to monitor student progression of course content, as you can see in this image. Blackboard Ultra is designed to be mobile first. The layout is more streamlined and mobile friendly than Blackboard Original and will allow the students to work just as easily on a mobile device as a laptop. Another major addition to Blackboard Ultra is the analytics feature. This mimics the Blackboard Original Course Reports feature, but provides a more comprehensive view of the student's progress. In this image, we can see the overall grade, missed due dates, hours in the course, and days since last access. This information allows instructors to identify and message students who are struggling by reviewing the number of hours they spend in the course and the number of days since they last accessed it. This is particularly useful for learners who are still developing their self-directed learning skills. This image provides a gradebook view from the student perspective, which shows each of their courses, their current standing, and how many are left to grade. So now that we've explored some of the exciting new tools and features in Blackboard Ultra, let's address some broader benefits. Baviskar, Hartle, and Whitney outline how technology like Blackboard Ultra aligns with constructivist learning theory. Some key constructivist principles include eliciting prior knowledge, which is accomplished through the use of discussion boards and quizzes. Reflection is a critical component of constructivist learning. Blackboard Ultra supports this by allowing students to engage in reflective activities such as journals, blogs, and e-portfolios, where they can document and reflect on their learning experiences. Another benefit of Blackboard Ultra is that it balances the needs of 21st century learners while embracing the Education 4.0 movement by leveraging cutting-edge technology. Its advanced accessibility tools ensure that all students can access course materials easily, regardless of device or location. Enhanced discussion boards and multimedia content foster creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration, which Kim states are essential for pedagogical learning. Analytics and reporting provide valuable insights into student performance. These new tools and features in Blackboard Ultra not only support the needs of online learners, but also the needs of instructors. With any large technology change and implementation comes challenges. Change agents involved in the implementation of Blackboard Ultra may need to face the reality that some users may not like the new LMS technology. People get comfortable with existing applications, and to make any modifications to the user design experience can create negativity, which is often based in the fear of the unknown. Promoting the sense of urgency of adopting new technologies as part of the instructor's teaching practice is important in order to keep up with our students' and industry needs. We can also expect to have wide range of digital literacy skills amongst faculty, staff, administrators, and students. Introducing a new technology requires careful planning, as we need to address all learner needs. Balancing the need to innovate while supporting college-wide increases in digital literacy will continue to be a challenge. We will incorporate the TPACK model, technological, pedagogical, content, knowledge, to remind us that faculty need to balance multiple knowledge domains, and technology is only one piece of the teaching puzzle. I would like to take a moment to discuss your return on investment should you choose to implement Blackboard Ultra. Choosing Blackboard Ultra provides some important cost savings. Firstly, acquiring Ultra will not require an open request for proposal process, as the institution has an existing agreement with the vendor, and systems are already mapped to the LMS from PeopleSoft. Secondly, the move to Blackboard Ultra is positioned as a system upgrade, which affects the user experience, but will not require any system integration from PeopleSoft or back-end development work, which will save a significant amount of implementation, time, and effort. Thirdly, as Brown mentions, a key challenge in implementing Education 4.0 is aligning educational systems with rapid technological advances. For educational institutions to attract students, they must demonstrate that they provide technology that supports pedagogical learning. Blackboard Ultra's new features are better suited to meet the needs of 21st century learners, which will ultimately lead to increased enrollment and revenue. In conclusion, adopting Blackboard Ultra LMS positions your institution at the forefront of 21st century education by addressing the critical challenges posed by rapid technological advancements and the need for pedagogical learning. Through the integration of advanced features such as analytics, accessibility, and AI design tools, Blackboard Ultra significantly enhances student engagement, supports self-directed learning, and aligns with Education 4.0 principles. The transition to this new LMS will be guided by a structured change management process, ensuring all stakeholders are adequately supported and trained. Finally, to realize the benefits of Blackboard Ultra LMS, we must commit to its implementation and continuous improvement. So in closing, I urge all faculty, staff, and administrators to embrace this change, leveraging its powerful tools to enhance our teaching practices and support student success. Let us work together for a smooth transition, making the most of this exciting opportunity to innovate and enhance the educational experience for your students. Thank you.